Hello friends, Sat Shri Akal dosto, and welcome back to Punjab Youth in Action. Today we are going to learn about the names of several animals in Punjabi. Elephant, hathi, hathi. Monkey, bandar, bandar. Horse, koda, koda. Ass, gada, gada. Deer, hiran, hiran. Jackal, giddad, giddad. Pig, suar, suar. Bear, palu, palu. Crocodile, magarmach, magarmach. Snake, sap. Ox, bald, bald. Cow, gaं, gaं. Buffalo, maj, maj. Lion, babbar sher, babbar sher. Tiger, baag, baag. Panther, cheetah, cheetah. Camel, oot, oot. Goat, bakri, bakri. Cat, billy, billy. And dog, kutta, kutta. Alright guys, I hope you liked today's video, and go on to this link on Instagram and Twitter and you guys can follow me here. So let's meet again next time, and as always, thanks for watching.